Yo YouTube, welcome back to another video here on the BitFinance channel. It's your boy Zay. We talk about crypto analysis. We look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, the S&P 500, and just ways to tap into the market and make money. Today is Thursday, May 22nd, 2025. It is currently 7:54 a.m. Bitcoin is sitting at a brand new all-time high that it created yesterday. It's a little less than that, but right now it's at $111,000, which is crazy, man. If you've been here since the beginning, you already know where we started at, man. We started, shoot, honestly, I'm gonna just take y'all down memory lane right quick, man, just because I got to. I really got into Bitcoin, like, for real, around this time right here. That's just me being 100 with you. Around February 2021. That's when I tapped in at a mother freaking all-time high. I found out just like everybody else, and by that time it was too late. Once I got to May, I was like, oh shoot, the market crashed. Around this time I was making a couple of $1,000s. I was like, wow, that's dope. Until it crashed and I saw it come back up. I was like, oh, it's still going. But no, I endured all this. All of this. This was my whole learning phase right here, right? And then I'll also say that everything right here has been my learning phase. Like, this has been my first bull run, for real. So I just learned for the past 3 years. I learned everything throughout here. I learned, like, okay, cool, this was a perfect time to enter. This was as well. I got down here. This was a great time to enter. I learned that this was a good time to enter, and now we're just reaping the benefits of an actual bull run, right? So now that we were able to break previous all-time highs, we're gonna go ahead and dive into what I originally got into this video for. Is that we broke our previous all-time highs, which was right here, sitting closer to $110,000, $109,000. We broke that yesterday, right? Which is really good. So now we're in the situation of, all right, price has broken through this area and it finished the daily close here, and we're in the process of making another bullish candle here. So now we just got to wait and determine how high price wants to go, right? So once we determine that, our best thing to do now is wait for a pullback at previous all-time highs. That's going to be the signal, the key indicator to go long, right? If we get a pullback here, which 9 times out of 10, hopefully we will. Once you get a pullback, that's going to be the time to enter, right? And I'm going to be looking to enter one of the biggest trades of my life, because down here, I expected price to come down here, we test, and then we move. Price decided to do the opposite. It decided to continue to push and test this area and then continue pushing forward, right? So now, one of the biggest things is, like I just mentioned, waiting for that pullback area, waiting for that pullback zone. We might get a flash here, or we might just continue up. Like, either way, you have to be prepared for whatever. I did see price come all the way down here and then finish up here. This could have been my indicator to go long, but I wasn't 100% convicted in this play right here. Mainly because it was after this, and then after this I was like, I'm not sure. Then I saw this, I was like, okay. I still didn't know, but that would have been still a good opportunity to enter the market. But regardless of the fact, now if anybody was like looking to enter now, it would be FOMO, because we are not at a clear support area, a clear key area. We're really outside of the box. So now that's when you had to learn patience. That's when you have to learn discipline. That's when you have to stick to your trading plan and stick to what you know, because I could enter now, but price could quite literally come all the way down here, wick people out, and then continue up. That's just the way the market works. You know what I'm saying? And you'll probably get liquidated, wiped out all your capital down here, and then price continues to be pushing higher to something crazy, like, and you're like, damn, if only I had waited. So you don't want to be in that situation, especially after you endured all this. After you went through all this, all you had to do is just be patient, wait till it comes back down to your zone, then enter. Right? So that's one of the situations that we're in now. And it's okay to be patient, because that's only going to make the rewards, the gains, much more sweeter. Right? It's been hard in this market, man. It's been tough. It's just been time and time again of just waiting and testing and seeing it if this strategy works, and honing in on your strategy and being disciplined and taking notes and journaling, writing down whatever's going on, like time and time again. It's all in here. It's just work after day in and day out, and crying and working hard and celebrating, and then losing again, and then making money and then losing again. There's just so much that goes into this that you just gotta truly be dedicated to yourself, right? That's all that this really boils down to. How disciplined, how well can you train your mind to know, okay, this is what I'm supposed to do when I'm supposed to do it. How disciplined are you? How much faith do you have? Are you a hard worker? Are you consistent? All these different qualities you have to question yourself about and see if you match up with those things, right? And if you're looking at this and you're like, damn, I'm not really a disciplined person, or I don't know if I'm disciplined, or if I don't know if I'm consistent, I don't know, or I'm not. If one of those two things are you, or even if you say I am, the best way to put that to the test is going to the gym consistently and track it. Go to the gym consistently and track it. And you'll see how consistent you are. If you are supposed to go to the gym 5 days a week, track how many times you go 5 days a week. That's going to be the ultimate test, because that's the most easiest way you can say, I'm committed to myself. I'm committed to myself. I'm going to put my body through pain, just to be disciplined, to become a better person, to be more consistent. These are the things that you do as a person, as a trader, as a person that's looking to elevate and become their best self, right? So this is just real straight fact that I'm telling you right now. If you're even interested in this type of field, you really should just be interested in general, whether you're a part of trading or not. Whatever career you're in, you should be disciplined, you should be consistent, you should have faith and hard work always. But I just had a rant about that right quick, let y'all know what's going on. But yeah, Bitcoin broke its previous all-time high, which was set here in the beginning of the year around the later end of January. We are just now breaking in. It's now May, closer to the end of May, and I think a lot of good things is about to happen. Like, sometimes it's like intuition. It's a feeling, but it's kind of not a feeling, but it is a feeling. They just like, all right, things are starting to turn my way. I have been consistent. I have been in the gym. I have been eating right. I have been drinking water. I have been eliminating distractions. I have been focusing in on my goals and my dreams and my aspirations. And I don't really got time for nothing else. I've been praying. I've been journaling down what I've been going through. I've been writing down all the things that I messed up on. I've been taking notes. I've been dedicating my weekends to excellence and greatness. I only fill my mind with good things that only promote and elevate me to the next level. Those are the type of things that you have to do once you encounter this journey. And I pray that everyone watching this, they continue to do their own thing, which helps them be a better person. So I know. I'm just excited. That's all this is. But we're gonna scroll over to here. Now we have Ethereum. Ethereum came down, tested the mid-range. I thought it was going to come back down here. It ultimately did it right now. We did bounce off this 2.4 range, and looks as though we are continuing to test this resistance area. Will we break above? I'm not sure, but we are in what it looks like now, position 2. Continue to test these waters, right? If we do test this and we break above it, I do see our next target right here, at least around the 3.3 range, and then definitely higher, closer to the 4,000 area. Similar thing with Solana, we were able to bounce off this mid-range right here, which is going to be right there around the $160 range. And right now we're at 178. I do see us pushing up higher to this resistance area or key area around the $246 range, which is really, really good. Similar thing with Doge. We are in a key area right now. Will we continue or will we fall is a good question, but right now we are in key area territory. So all these are kind of similarly lining up. We also do have Trump coin here that is also testing this resistance area. Will it break above? That is going to be determined. But right now we are sitting pretty. We are looking good. And yeah. But that's really all that I wanted to say for real. I just wanted to give y'all just like a really informative video, a self-help video, a stay focused video, a video that keeps your mind focused on the main goal, right? And that's all I'm gonna leave y'all with. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. It's Thursday. Let's finish the week strong, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all later. I'm gone.